It's about time for some new furniture. So today, we're adding a cool end table to our living room. It's spacious, multifunctional, and on the other side, it's also an electric fireplace. It arrives ready to keep you warm on chilly nights and looks good in almost any room. In the box, you'll find the electric fireplace, the power strip, 4 wheels, a bag of hardware, the instructions, and all the main pieces you'll need. To kick things off, I inserted the wooden dowels and screws into the corner pieces and bottom panel. Then I screwed on all 4 wheels, put together the decorative leg piece, and attached it to the panel. After that, I placed all the dowels and screws into the middle panel to use later, and built the space for the electric fireplace and storage area. Then connected one side to the bottom panel and made sure all the screws were tightened. Slide in your fireplace, lock it in with some more screws, and connect the storage compartment. Add the middle piece so you can install your ports and outlet, and tighten on the top panel. Lastly, I installed an extra shelf and screwed on the little magnetic door. It took a couple hours to complete, but I love the way it turned out. I've never seen an end table look like this before, so it was definitely worth the effort. I even got my Zen on and did some morning yoga next to the fireplace. I thought it created a pretty relaxing atmosphere, and the heat that it puts out had me breaking a sweat in no time. In fact, this thing had our whole living room warmed up in about 15 minutes. So it'll be great to use down the road when it gets cold out. But for now, we can turn off the heat and still enjoy the flames. Or if you think the fireplace is more of a winter vibe, you can just spin it around and it's like you have a whole new table. Nice. There's also a regular outlet and a Type-C and USB port for easy charging. Plus, the pre-drilled hole on the bottom means the power cords won't look messy or get in the way if we decide to move it. Seems pretty convenient. Now our living room looks a little more cozy, and we have a new piece of furniture that serves multiple purposes. So if you're looking for a new end table that looks stylish and keeps you warm, this one might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'm gonna go put some more stuff inside the storage compartment. Later.